Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of eye-catching, highly pigmented eyeshadows that can take your look from day to night effortlessly, then stay tuned because we're about to explore the Too Faced Born This Way The Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. This palette promises high pigment, blendable textures, and a versatile array of shades that can elevate any eye look. Let's start with the basics. This eyeshadow palette comes with 16 shades that range from soft neutrals to rich, vibrant hues. Whether you're looking for a natural, everyday look or something more dramatic, there's something for everyone. The formula is designed to deliver high pigment payoff with a combination of matte, shimmer, and satin finishes. It's no surprise that Too Faced has crafted this palette to be both blendable and buildable, ensuring you can create a seamless finish every time. Now, when it comes to real-world testing, I've used this palette in various scenarios. The blendability is honestly impressive. I'm talking about smooth transitions between shades with minimal effort, which is key for any eyeshadow palette. It feels creamy and soft to the touch, and I didn't experience any harsh lines or patchiness, which can sometimes happen with pigmented formulas. I wore this during both day and night, and I have to say, it holds up well. The colors stay vibrant without creasing, even after hours of wear, which is especially important if you have oily eyelids like mine. There's also something about the shimmer shades in this palette that really stand out. They give just the right amount of glow without being too overpowering, making them perfect for both subtle and bold looks. However, the matte shades can be a little more on the powdery side, so you might want to tap off the excess before applying. It's a small thing, but definitely worth noting if you want to avoid fallout. So let's break it down. The pros of this palette are definitely its high pigmentation and versatility. Whether you're going for a soft, natural look or something a little more sultry, this palette has you covered. The shimmer finishes are gorgeous and give the eyes a stunning, lit-from-within glow. The formula is also easy to work with, which makes application a breeze. On the flip side, the matte shades do have a slight powdery texture, which might be a deal breaker for those who prefer a more compact, less messy application. But if you're willing to work with it, it's really not a huge issue. As for value for money, the Too Faced Born This Way The Natural Nudes palette is definitely on the higher end of the pricing spectrum. That being said, the quality of the shades and the range of colors you get make it a worthwhile investment if you're someone who frequently enjoys experimenting with different eye looks. It's a versatile palette that can easily replace multiple products in your collection, saving you space and time. In terms of comparisons, I'd say this palette is similar to other high-end offerings in terms of pigmentation and blendability, but with a unique twist, thanks to the mix of shimmer and matte shades. The texture and finish are on par with brands like Urban Decay and Anastasia Beverly Hills, but the color selection leans more neutral, which may appeal to those looking for a more natural look. If you're on a budget, brands like NYX or ColourPop offer similar neutral palettes at a fraction of the price, but the quality won't quite match the depth and richness of Too Faced. When it comes to the build quality, the palette feels sturdy, and the packaging is compact enough for travel. I didn't experience any issues with the lid or pans. It's a well-built product that should stand the test of time, given that the shadows are finely milled and the formula seems long-lasting. Overall, I'd say this palette is a great choice for makeup enthusiasts who want a reliable, high-quality eyeshadow palette with a range of versatile shades. It performs well, especially when paired with a good primer, and offers that perfect balance of everyday neutrals and stunning shimmer. It's ideal for those who want a professional look with minimal effort. If you're looking for something more affordable, there are cheaper alternatives, but they may lack the same pigmentation or longevity. If you're ready to splurge, this palette is definitely worth the investment, especially if you're after something that can work for both natural and more dramatic eye looks. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description box or comments for the link to purchase the Too Faced Born This Way The Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. If you've tried this palette or any of Too Faced's other products, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.